Hey there, I'm Allan Hobbs, founder of MaxLaser. At MaxLaser, we've got one simple mission: empowering you to succeed. Whether you're starting your first small business, growing your side hustle, adding a new tool to your workshop, or you're part of a school, college, or university helping shape the next generation of makers and creators, we are here to help you make it happen. We don't believe in overpriced machines or cheap, unreliable ones either. Our focus is on value for money. We spend a lot of time sourcing the best machines from Asia, and I mean a lot of time. If sourcing machines was an Olympic sport, I think we would take gold. We're not the cheapest in the markets, but we're also far from the most expensive. What we offer is real quality and competitive pricing, backed by solid service and a team that actually cares about your success. I get a genuine buzz seeing our clients thrive. That's the best part of this job. When you win, we win. Now, a little bit about the MaxLaser culture. We're not your typical boring equipment company. We're real people who love what we do, and we enjoy having a bit of fun while doing it. Whether we're doing training sessions, testing out machines, or answering your calls, we keep it friendly, honest, and supportive. Our backup support is something we take seriously. And judging by our Google reviews, our clients think that we're doing a pretty decent job too. We're proud of our rating, and we work hard to keep it that way. So whether you're into laser engraving or cutting, UV printing, t-shirt printing, or just exploring what's possible with tech that makes stuff, you're in the right place. Thanks for visiting MaxLaser. Let's create something great together.